Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Canada to Ireland in 2025. Whether you're supporting family abroad, handling business payments, or just sending a gift, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, why send money in 2025? With fluctuating exchange rates and new digital tools, it's smarter than ever to plan ahead. The Canadian dollar to euro exchange can vary, so always check current rates on reliable sites like Zelle or Google Finance to avoid surprises. Step 1. Choose your method. Popular options include online services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, which offers low fees and fast transfers, or traditional bank wires from your Canadian bank. For quick and easy transactions, apps like PayPal or Revolut are great alternatives, especially if you're dealing with smaller amounts. Remember, in 2025, we might see even more integrated options with blockchain tech, so keep an eye on that. Step 2. Gather your details. You'll need the recipient's full name, Irish bank account information, including IBAN and SWIFT codes, and possibly their address for verification. Double-check everything to prevent delays or fees from errors. Next, compare fees and exchange rates. Services like Wise often beat banks by offering the mid-market rate without hidden charges. If you're sending a larger sum, look for promotions or partnerships that could save you money. Pro tip. Transfer during off-peak times, like weekends, when rates might be more favorable. Once you're ready, initiate the transfer through your chosen platform. Most services allow you to link your Canadian bank account or debit card for seamless payments. After submission, you'll get a confirmation email, and tracking options let you monitor the status in real time. Finally, after the money arrives, follow up with the recipient to ensure everything went smoothly. In 2025, with enhanced security measures, always use two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. There you have it, a simple guide to sending money from Canada to Ireland. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.